Greetings, family. This is Will Ozier from Stone Mountain, Georgia. My video lesson is on how to use automation. For this video lesson, I'm using Propellerhead's Reason 7.0. Reason is up and running, and I have several waves here or audio files. I want to demonstrate how to automate volume, panning, and how to automate effect. They're all very, very similar. You can automate by real time, but I prefer drawing my automation in. I think it's a lot more accurate. To me, it's less time consuming because you don't have to go back and change anything later on. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you an automation on the vocoder track. And so we're going to open up the mixing board. And there we are, vocoder 02. And we're going to take the volume slider pot and we're going to right click it. And then we're going to click edit automation. And the automation lane opens up and you just draw a clip in there. And then you take your selection tool and you double click on the track that you just drew in, the automation lane. And then you can start very low and then you can bring it up higher so you can hear the automation. So let's just take a listen at that. Okay, it's a little too loud. Let's bring it down to about 600. Maybe 750. All right, there we go. Let's try it again. As you can see, the volume goes up as the automation goes up. So your volume goes up as automation goes up, and that's basically the effect that you're looking for. You know, now I'm not going to actually use that particular track on this demonstration, this completed demonstration. And we're going to come out of there and we're going to show you what I have done. I've done the same sort of thing with volume on the arpeggiation track. I did the same sort of thing with panning on the hi-hat track. And finally, I did the same sort of thing with the effects on the arpeggiation track right here. Now, one of the beautiful things about Reason, and let me just show you that real quick. I'm just going to delete these two. And then, you know, I'm just going to show you that I only drew one. I only drew this one. And then I just copied it. It's not cooperating. Okay. Oh, put my snap on, that's why. Okay. And then just put, and that way you got the same automation. Say if you do want the same automation for different effects, you know, then you can do it that way. And then let me just show you the mixing board one more time, because I'm using sends and returns for those effects. Even though this lesson is not on sends and returns, but I just want to show you that that's what I'm doing. I have sends on echo, delay, and on ping pong for that effect on the end there. So let's just take a listen, see how we're going. And that's it. That's how automation works on Reason. It's really a simple thing. I think automation is really good because it really allows a mixer to kind of guide the listener to where you want him to or her to focus on. So until next time, this is Will from Stone Mountain. Thanks.